Hello, everyone. In this problem, we have two spheres that are rolled down an inclined plane, and we have to find out which will reach the bottom first. This is a case of pure rolling without sliding. Let me do an experiment and take a tennis ball and a TT ball and roll it down an inclined plane. You can do this in your home. When we do that, we will see that both the balls are reaching the bottom simultaneously. Both the spheres are shown here in terms of their cross section. We can see that both are hollow. Therefore, we have to take the moment of inertia for hollow spheres and not for solid spheres. This sketch is only a recap of my previous video and gives you the symbols and the arrangement of the sphere rolling down an inclined plane. In all such problems where objects are having pure rolling down an inclined plane, we have to only go for finding the linear acceleration a. That's because the initial velocity at the top of the incline is 0 and the final velocity at the bottom of the incline is only going to depend on a. Now, a has moment of inertia I in the denominator, and I is known for different shapes. And for hollow spheres, it's 2 by 3 mr squared. The mr squared terms cancel, and we get a is equal to 3 by 5 g sine theta. That is, a is only a function of the angle theta of the inclined plane. So whatever kind of hollow spheres we roll down, they will all reach the bottom at the same time. Therefore, the correct option is option 4. Here is a playful, stunning image where we have an inclined plane from the Stone Age, and the gods have given us two golden spheres, one large, one small, and now you can say that both of them will reach the bottom of the inclined plane at the same time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and log in to the website physicsmodels.com. Have a great day.